safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also, do be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. Now, we may be using rear stairs as well as the forward air bridge to disembark. If you are using the stairs, please take care and use the handrail provided. Follow the clearly marked path to the terminal. Electronic devices, including vapes, must not be used when crossing the tarmac. If you're uncomfortable using the stairs, you're more than welcome to stay behind and use the forward air bridge. If you are connecting to an international flight, there is a clearly marked path with signage or a bus transfer available to get to the international terminal. Please check your seat pocket for any personal items and ensure rubbish is removed and disposed of in bins inside the terminal. From all the team, we hope you have enjoyed flying with Air New Zealand on the Star Alliance network. It's certainly been our pleasure bringing you up from the capital. We'd like to thank you all, including our Airpoints members, and look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Take care, enjoy the day ahead. Te wā.
I wouldn't want you any other way. You're one in a million, ain't no mistake. But you say there's a billion, ain't no way. Ooh, wish you could see you like I do. Then you would know how I love you. Wish you could see you like I do. Maybe then you know it's true. If you could see you like I do. Oh baby, please don't start. You ain't gotta ask if you look okay. Got every product trying to cover her. I guess I gotta tell you this again. That all those lines you're trying to hide away, it's so special to me. You know our babies had to leave them all. We wouldn't want you any other way. You're one in a million, ain't no mistakes. But you say there's a million, ain't no way. Ooh, wish you could see you like I do. Then you would know I love you. Wish you could see you like I do. Maybe then you know it's true. If you could see you like I do. Wish you could see you like we do. Then you would know how we love you. Wish you could see you like we do. And maybe then you know it's true. If you could see you like we do.